In simple terms, here's my 8 most important steps when you're buying a home. Step number 1, make sure that you guys are pre-approved. We'll find you a local lender. The pre-approval is important because that helps your agent understand what you can afford. And during step number 2, when I ask you a million questions and we figure out what you're looking for, why you're looking for it, and how it's important to you, we need to make sure that matches with your pre-approval amount. Step number 3 is we start looking for homes. We go shopping together, we check out what the market has to offer. You guys fall in love with the home, brings us to step number 4. We write an offer. After writing an offer, once one is accepted, there's what's called earnest money. In the state of Oregon, earnest money is 1% of the purchase price typically. On a $400,000 home, that would be $4,000. It is part of your down payment. Step number 6 is the inspection. Normally, the inspection period is 10 days long. What that means is we'll send you a list of inspectors. You guys choose who you want to use, and then we get the inspection performed within that window. As long as everything's good with the house, we move on. If something's wrong with the house, your agent will write up a repair addendum to make sure we address those issues. Step number 7, the bank will only loan on what the appraised value is. On a $400,000 purchase price, the home has to appraise for $400,000. Step number 8 is we close. We made it. We're celebrating together. You guys followed the steps. If you found value in this, like, follow, and subscribe to my page for more content.